Hi there. Let's dive into AWS DeviceFarm, your solution for testing mobile and web apps. DeviceFarm lets you test applications on real devices in the cloud, ensuring quality across platforms. DeviceFarm supports iOS, Android, and web apps, offering real devices and emulators for testing. You can run automated tests or perform manual testing with remote access. It integrates with CI/CD tools like Jenkins, providing detailed reports on performance and bugs. Picture a mobile game developer. DeviceFarm tests their app on hundreds of devices, catching crashes before launch, or an e-commerce app ensures compatibility across phones and browsers. Its scalability saves time and improves user experience. Why DeviceFarm? It's flexible, reliable, and boosts app quality. Try AWS DeviceFarm on the AWS console today and deliver flawless apps. Thanks for listening.